we have given curve and we have to find if our curve is concave upward or concave downward at the given value x. So to solve this problem, we need to find the second derivative and find the value of the second derivative for x equals 0. If we got positive value, it means our curve is concave upward at the given point, and if we get negative value, it means our curve is concave downward at the given value. So first we need to find first derivative. To do this, I will change this square root to the power form. So will be y equals 3x squared minus 4, and we have x plus 1 to power 1 half. So y prime is equal, derivative of 3x squared is 3 times 2 times x to first power, so it's x only. And now we have to just copy for derivative of composition function, so we have to copy 1 half the power times x plus 1 in parentheses, and we have 1 half minus 1, and we have to find the derivative of expression inside the parentheses. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 is 0, so we have only 1. So let me rewrite this. This is equal 6x. We can reduce 4 and 2, so will be 2 times x plus 1 to power negative 1 half times 1. We don't have to write. Now we have to find the derivative of the first derivative. So the second derivative is equal, derivative of 6x is 6 minus, we have to copy the 2, and we have times negative 1 half times whatever we have in parentheses, and the power will be negative 1 half minus 1, and the derivative of expression inside the parentheses is 1. Because derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0, so I don't have to put 0. So we have the second derivative is equal 6 minus 2 and 2 will cancel, and negative times negative give us positive times x plus 1 to power negative 3 over 2. When we have second derivative, we can calculate the value of the second derivative to x equals 0. So y base of 0 is equal 6 plus, and we have to replace x by 0 to power negative 3 over 2. So we have y base of 0 is equal 6 plus 0 plus 1 is 1 to power negative 3 over 2. So we have 6 plus 1, because 1 to power negative 3 over 2 is still 1. So we have 7. We got positive value. It means that our curve y is concave upward at the given value. This is my solution.